everyone. Thank you for joining me once again on the vegan season, where it's the season to be vegan. I'm excited about this video today because I'm going to do something different. But first, I would like to say thank you to all of my subscribers who are here from the beginning. Thank you for all of my new subscribers that I just gained over the past few days. I really appreciate it. I appreciate your support. So we need carrots. We want to cut the ends off and peel the carrots. And we have oranges that we want to peel the oranges. And we want to, some of my oranges are sliced and some are not. So I want to quarter the oranges. And I'm going to place them right into the juicer. To fall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the oranges a bit smaller so that it'll fit into the food chute easier. And I'm going to alternate, first let me turn it off. I'm going to alternate oranges and carrots when I'm putting it in. I'm not going to put in all carrots and then all oranges. I'm going to alternate between, and we will have our orange juice. That looks crazy, right? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna cut up the carrot. I mean, this looks different, but your body will thank you for it. You know, just think of it like that. Your body will thank you for it. And this is enough to make 2 servings of juice. And this drink, you can't leave it around, lying around in the fridge. You have to drink it right after you make it. Drink it because it will go bad really fast. And that's not what we want. We want all the health benefits that this juice has to offer. And it's making a good amount of juice, so that works. So this is what our final product of our orange juice looks like. And again, it's kind of obvious, but it's called orange juice because we use oranges and carrots and they're both orange. Oranges and carrots are both high in calcium. The orange juice would help to cleanse and tone our intestinal tract. Well, the natural orange juice, if you juice it, it'll help much more than the pasteurized orange juice that's sold in the local supermarkets. If you drink 2 to 3 6-ounce glasses of fresh orange juice, it'll help. Fresh orange juice, I should say, per week, 2 to 6. If you drink 2 to 3 6-ounce glasses of orange juice per week, it's going to help cleanse your intestinal tract. Also, the carrots are also good. The beta carotene, also good for our eyes. And, you know, this is a win-win drink. Remember that this is a drink that you can't juice and then leave it in the fridge. You have to drink it like right away, because it's going to go bad really fast. It's going to get bitter. So once you juice it, don't forget to just take it in, just enjoy it. So once again, thank you for joining me on the vegan season. I hope you enjoyed this video of me making orange juice. So if you like what you saw, subscribe to the channel, give me a like. If you feel the need to support through donations, the links are down below in the description box. So thank you for joining me on the vegan season. I know I said it already, but I'll say it again. Thank you for joining me on the vegan season. I really appreciate your support. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to this video. Subscribe to my channel. And God bless. Enjoy the drink. Bye.